Hello everybody, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss easy ways to earn money on Crypto Miner Tycoon. Crypto Miner Tycoon is a simulation game that allows players to build and manage their own cryptocurrency mining empire. The game provides an experience of how real-world cryptocurrency mining works, including setting up mining rigs, optimizing hardware, and expanding operations. Players start small with limited resources and gradually scale their business to become a major player in the crypto mining industry. The game offers different challenges and opportunities, making it an engaging experience for those interested in cryptocurrencies and business management. To play the game, you begin by setting up your first mining rig, tap to mine, and start generating cryptocurrency instantly. The faster you tap, the more coins you produce, allowing you to accumulate wealth quickly. Every tap brings you closer to building a thriving mining empire. Use your earnings to upgrade your mining rigs, boosting their efficiency and increasing the amount of cryptocurrency earned per tap. As you progress, unlock more advanced and powerful rigs that generate even higher profits automatically, reducing your reliance on manual tapping. The more you invest in upgrades, the greater your passive income, ensuring continuous growth even when you're not actively playing. The more you upgrade and tap, the more cryptocurrency you can mine. Every tap boosts your earnings, and upgrading your mining rigs increases their efficiency, allowing you to generate even more coins. By continuously improving your setup and tapping faster, you accelerate your mining power and maximize your profits. The Unlock section allows you to improve your mining operation by gaining access to various upgrades. These upgrades enhance different aspects of your business, such as increasing mining efficiency, reducing power consumption, and improving cooling systems. Some unlocks provide advanced mining algorithms that optimize processing speed, while others introduce automation features that adjust mining priorities. Investing in the right upgrades ensures that your mining rigs run at peak performance and generate higher profits over time. The Statistics section provides detailed insights into your mining operations performance. Here, you can track important metrics such as the total amount of cryptocurrency mined, power consumption levels, and the efficiency of your machines. Real-time analytics allow you to monitor profitability, compare historical data, and make informed decisions about scaling your business. By analyzing these statistics, you can identify areas for improvement, adjust your strategy, and maximize your mining operations' success. The second option focuses on money, investors, and megatoken. Upgrading your mining operation is the key to maximizing profits in Crypto Miner Tycoon. In the Money section, you can purchase various upgrades for your mining rigs. These upgrades improve mining efficiency, increase earnings, and help you generate more crypto with each tap. Investing in better upgrades ensures long-term profitability and faster progress, allowing you to scale your mining empire more efficiently. The Investor section offers opportunities to expand your wealth beyond mining. Here, you can buy stonks to earn passive income, use investor blessings for temporary profit boosts, and invest in e-commerce products to gain additional financial benefits. Making smart investment choices will accelerate your growth, providing extra resources to reinvest in your mining operation and stay ahead of the competition. The Megatoken section allows you to buy more rigs, so you can mine more quickly and enhance your overall mining strategy. Properly managing megatokens can give you a significant edge, helping you build the most powerful and profitable crypto empire in the game. Megatokens can be used to unlock exclusive features, purchase premium upgrades, and gain access to limited-time events. Earning and managing megatokens effectively can give you a competitive edge, allowing for faster expansion and greater customization of your mining business. The third option is the Managers section. The Managers section allows you to hire professionals who automate and optimize different aspects of your mining operation. Managers help reduce downtime by ensuring that mining rigs run continuously without manual intervention. They also improve efficiency by fine-tuning operations, adjusting power usage, and streamlining resource allocation. With the right team in place, you can maximize profits while minimizing the need for constant micromanagement. In addition to automation, this section provides insights into money and investors, allowing you to monitor financial growth and funding opportunities. Some managers specialize in financial management, helping you attract investors and secure additional capital for expansion. By leveraging their expertise, you can scale your mining business faster and more effectively. Choosing the right managers is crucial, as each comes with unique bonuses and abilities. Some may boost mining speed, while others optimize energy consumption or increase the chances of receiving rare cryptocurrency rewards. Strategic hiring decisions can significantly impact your revenue, ensuring that your mining operation runs smoothly and profitably in the long run. The fourth option displays your total investors. The Total Investors section provides a detailed overview of the investors backing your mining business. Here, you can see the number of investors you have, their individual contributions, and the total amount of funds they have provided. The more investors you attract, the greater your financial resources, allowing you to expand your mining empire by purchasing better equipment, upgrading facilities, and optimizing efficiency. Attracting investors requires maintaining a profitable business and demonstrating consistent growth. Investors are more likely to fund your operation if they see strong returns and a well-managed strategy. Providing them with good returns on their investment ensures their continued support and may even encourage larger contributions in the future. The planet represents the vast digital ecosystem where cryptocurrency mining and trading take place. It serves as the foundation of your mining empire, providing opportunities to expand your business, attract investors, and optimize operations. As you grow, you can explore different aspects of the planet's economy, adapt to market fluctuations, and strategically position yourself as a leading miner and trader. The exchange is the core marketplace where you can trade cryptocurrencies and manage your digital assets. This is where you sell mined coins, reinvest profits, and track market trends to make informed trading decisions. Since prices fluctuate frequently, understanding the exchange is key to maximizing earnings. Some players focus on short-term trades to take advantage of price spikes, while others hold assets for long-term gains. Smart trading strategies, such as setting automated sell orders or diversifying your portfolio, can help optimize profits and reduce financial risk. The Boosters section offers temporary advantages that enhance your mining operation. These boosters can increase mining speed, reduce energy consumption, or improve hardware efficiency for a limited time. Using boosters strategically can help you maximize profits when expanding your business. Some boosters may also provide special bonuses, such as increased investor interest or faster transaction processing, giving you an extra edge in managing your mining empire. The Gold section introduces another in-game currency that plays a crucial role in customization and upgrades. Gold can be used to purchase wraps, which are special skins or enhancements that not only change the appearance of your mining rigs, but also improve their performance. Some wraps provide efficiency boosts, allowing machines to mine faster or consume less energy, resulting in long-term profitability. Wraps are an important part of the game as they allow customization and provide bonuses. Some wraps improve cooling, while others increase mining speed. Choosing the right wrap for your mining rigs can give you an advantage in the game. They can be purchased using gold or mega token, depending on the type of wrap. Crypto Miner Tycoon is a game that requires strategic decision-making and careful management of resources. Understanding each section of the game will help you build a successful mining empire. By optimizing your hardware, making smart investments, and using boosters and wraps effectively, you can maximize profits and grow your business.